So guys, let's begin the trading session. I want to say if you're new in trading and have no idea how to trade with a profit, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. And because our trading session will be based on the technical analysis, and so watch this video till the end, and you're gonna have basic knowledge our trading and understand is crucial details, and you will be able to open position on your own. But today we got $200 on the balance and we trade on the 1 minute time frame, and all the currency pairs have been picked. And as I said, we're gonna count on the technical analysis, and that's why we don't use any indicators and other trading tools. Let's get down to trading and find the better currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's start analyzing and find a good position. And so here we see the downward movement. Well, let's check this out. I think we should open a long position following the trend direction. I'll point out the workspace. Previously there was the downward trend, and the price was rejected from this upper zone and started going up. Then we see this correction here, after which we're gonna expect the breakout to the upside, and that's why we opened the long position. As simple as that. Look at the breakout is happening right now, very promising one. I'm totally okay with it. We can actually, the price has already entered it, and here the price broke it down, and here it's coming back, and we're observing the market recovery. And there around 5 seconds left before the closing, in the first position it's been closed in profits. There we have $278 79 and the balance, and let's update the trade amount and put down the maximum one and find the next currency pair for the most promising position entry. Let's continue analyzing and consider the all options. Well, what do we got here? The more downward trend dominates here, and probably we should open a short position considering the direction of the downtrend. We see a severe downward dynamics here, then there was a pullback here and the price went up, then it was rejected from this support, and we're gonna expect the recovery of the downtrend, and the price should continue going down, and that's why we trade with the trend here. And I think we clarified everything and no more explanation is required. And let's watch the price. It has been closed in profits. We got $536 in the balance, and let's carry on the trading session and change the currency pair and find the next position entry. Well, we were interested in the most profitable pile trade. So look at this meltdown. We're gonna open a short position here, and following the direction of the trend I will point out the workspace. This is an exceptional situation. The price was rejected from this level and started going down. We see this small green candle here, after which the price should continue its downfall, and it probably depends on the news. So something has affected the market and the price is going down, and this is kind of systematic movement. We can open with the trend here without seconds out, and that's exactly what we just did. There are around 15 seconds left before the closing, and we already see a good breakdown, and the candle doesn't have high volatility, but still it's not a big deal. There's nothing to be afraid. Our position has been closed in profits, and we got $9,100 on the balance, and we're gonna update the trade amount and carry on the trading session. Well, let's find a good buy trade. We can observe a more upward trends here, but still I think a small correction is imminent, and that's why we did better open a short position here. And there's sideways trend, the price is moving within this price range, and we see the upward dynamics here. But I'm sure that the resistance zone should play out and the price will eventually go down and just a bit, following its previous direction. And by the way, there was the downtrend with the indicator that the correction is more likely than the pullback, and basically the chart is gonna move this way. And another position ended up with the profit. There are almost $2,000 in the balance, and like I said, the correction has eventually happened, and we saw the impulse movement to the downside, and we should also find the most profitable buy trade. And so the pullback takes place. So the pullback takes place. Let's consider other options. Probably here with a better open a long position following the trend direction. The local lows have been updated here at these points, and then we see that the resistance zone played out here, and we see a teeny correction, but the trend is upward one, and at this point the correction should be over and the price will continue going up. And like I said, the price starting going up, the breakout is gaining momentum, guys, and we should wait for the candle closing to make sure that it's fine. And basically we see that the price is struggling to break throughout the resistance. I wonder if the candle will go upper. And meanwhile, there are 5 seconds left before the closing, and our position has been closed with a profit. There are $2,000, some $100 in the balance. Everything is super simple. Let's change the currency pair, find the next trade entry. I guess we should open a few more positions. So here the recovery seems to be happening right now. We could open either long or short. In theory, it's not clear for now, and let's hold off and take a look at this one. With a better open with the trend here, cute, awkward trade entry, but still I don't think that we made the mistake. And previously we see the downward dynamics, the upper zone played out here, and the price started going up. And then we see a small correction. Look at these red candles, and now we see the breakout is gaining momentum. So I'm expecting the price to go upwards because we see these green candles, and actually we caught by a bit of mistiming. Here we could have opened it at the little bit lower level somewhere here, but anyway the breakout has eventually happened, and there 10 seconds left before the closing, and we could simply watch the price movement. There we go, another position have been closed with a profit. There are more than $4,000 in the balance, and let's open $4,000 positions, guys, and change the currency pair. Let's continue analyzing. Well, I guess this is more upward trend. Well, let's check out this one. Let's open 4 short positions here. Actually, I believe the price has to go lower, and we can observe these accumulations on here, and I think the price should be rejected here and go downwards, following the downward dynamics. And now there is a small pullback, but I think the correction is imminent here, and so we open it the short. And we can already see the inception of the red candle, the breakdown, and I think that our position should be in profits in the end. Yep, our positions being closed with a profit. Good jobs. Let's check in if something was closed with a zero. Nope, we're in profits. And let's consolidate our gains and open our final positions. And let's carry on the trading session and change the currency pair. Well, let's have a look at here. I'd rather open a short, but with a better slowdown for a while. And let's open 3 long positions. Here, guys, following the direction, huge strong upward dynamics takes place, and we already traded this currency pair today. And basically, I already told you earlier, the upward dynamics dominates here, and we see a strong breakout. I think we're gonna see a small correction after with the price should continue going up. And by the way, we should point out this zone. So in theory, the price is gonna go even higher in order to determine the further direction, and that's why we open it with the trend. And the breakout of that zone is very likely to happen. And then the price is gonna figure out its further direction. Meanwhile, all the positions are in profits, guys. We go at $10,700 on the balance, and cute, impressive outcome. Remind you guys, and that we use it on the technical analysis, so you will be able to do the same to make money without knowing and additional trading tools, indicators, and strategies. So the technical analysis is very important thing in trading. And let's move on the withdrawal. We're gonna withdraw $10,500 and press the continue button. Well, and we're gonna wait for the confirmation. So put down the pin code and press the continue button. That's it. Our transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen where it's down, and guys, it's crazy. It's crazy. Thank you for trading. If you wanna copy my trade, if you have any question, you can write me, ask me in the Telegram. You can find link in the description here.